Today, I'm going to show you how to manage your customer inside eteams CRM. The CRM is help to manage all your sales, all your contract, and all your orders, and manage them and your pipelines to enable you achieve your sales target. So we just open the more. You will see here has the CRM functions here. The CRM comes with customer management, contact, opportunity, contract, and orders, price, capital, product, competitor, and quotation, campaign, need, CRM statics report. So we just go to customer directly because this is all your customer list. We can see how the customer look like. After you click the customer, all the related information will be shown on top table, right? So and here is all the basic information which come with the telephone number, email address, and also your address and the participant, even the previous contact records, right? So we just start to create a new customer. From here, create new customer two ways. One is create new customer directly. Second is just import your customer into systems. So we just create a new customer. First of all, we need to type the customer name. Maybe I just type Singapore demo. Yeah. So here, if you create Singapore demo, right, actually will show you the existing customer there. So we just delete this one. No need to create a new one, right? So just delete this one, where you can do merge. So this is our existing customer, right? Inside the existing customer, we can input the telephone number and put the email address. And here, right, you can see all the incoming emails and write a new email to the customer. And here you can put their fax numbers if they have and the zip code. And then your type of this customer. Here you can put customer or vendor or supplier. The industry the customer is trading. Arrows, you can put Singapore as a country or city or a region as you how you want to manage the customers. This one the user can input their own values or they can just choose from the existing list and website, right? So address, here is all the address we can see from here, and the tips, and then see customer do wholesale. This is some tips, and this can share with your colleague. They will know the customer, what is their tips, how to handle the customer. And of course you can upload any attachment here, and you can preview inside the browser directly. No need to download, right? It's very easy, and you can share this one. After this one, right, we can have some link items. You can link the customer with project, task, any of the system applications. And also you can link with contract or opportunities, right? So all this one will be easier for you to track the customer on set one pages. So this is some basic information about a customer. So customer sales pipeline, right? We normally from the potential customer, and then we have the solution present, and then the price negotiation, and then deal close. So here we have contact record. During the customer presentation or the demo, we need to record down all the contact information, how we discuss with the customer. Now for here, right, I can just say meet customer for demo presentation at customer office, and then I can add someone. How the ad look like, right? So here have the add buttons. You can just add someone here, and you can also to manage your next meetings. What going to do next meetings is discuss the quotation with customer in waiver office, right? So this is like maybe next time is meeting, right? You can what is the meeting type, and then you can just send. So you have a record here, and your next reminder will be automatically to help you to create next Tuesday. So this is how we're going to do inside the customers, right? So inside the customer, we can also, because here is only customers, and then we can manage some contact informations. contact is a person to attach to this customer. Who is the key person you're going to contact? You can add multiple. Here we can add one. Maybe the contact person is called Ken Wei, and then enter the title. We can manage the title. Title is maybe general manager, and we can put the telephone number and mobile. You can put a mobile address and email address, and then it's mail. And more information, right? You can just contact office. What is office number? Or cross-reference, because we already done. You can just copy and paste. Maybe just copy paste. Office address. Yeah, and the relationship is ordinary or policymaker or business decision maker, right? So we can, and any hobbies, right? Maybe like golf, swimming. This is some interesting topic you can go to discuss with this persons, right? So you can also have the link items like link customer, link project, link and link customer. Just now we can going to see what is a link customer, right? We just add one is the link items, and then link lead, link anything, and then we send. So we have a new contact information create. You see here I have the question mark is a mark. There is the same contact. So if you have multiple person, have multiple content, right, will give you this kind of mark to see there is a same contact. Beside here, right, we saw here is message center. You will also see some information. So here we'll give you a remind to see have duplicate information, please check, right? So if you have duplicate customer, duplicate contact key inside the system will help you to catch them out and give you notification directly. So this you can add one, and in the future, right, you can go and check more information. If you contact this person directly, you just make a phone call with Mr. Ken about project scope, and then we just send. So each of them, right, you can discuss here. So any third one person, they want to see what is your topic in details. You can reply your contact records if they have authorization to see. Of course, you can reply here. This is something like customer discussion. All these items, customer need, all the things will have the ability to enable you can discuss here. So this is contact. So after we close this one, we go back to this Singapore demo customer. So here we have view log. Who views this customer? I say can view in this time, and operation log. Who change anything inside the system, right, will be record here. So you can always do audit any person change or delete or edit anything. You have ability to check here. Yeah, so this is some basic introduction about the customer management. Create your customer and create contact for these customers. Thank you.